Hi guys, so I'm recording. So I just got this. I bought this as a replacement router for. I wanted to get two of these, but they were just not at the right price for me at the time. So to like replace this as an access point. So this is what it is. It's a TP-Link AC7. AC1750 wireless router. And so I'm using it as an access point, and basically it's a router. So this was a router I had. It's the airport train. This is the airport train. I don't know. I did. Yeah, here's the airport train, and this might. I'm not replacing the time capsule with this. You'll probably see a video about me taking apart the time capsule to replace a hard drive. So basically, a time capsule would be this, but with a hard drive in there. So it's place for a hard drive. So I replace this with I replace that with this. So this is a router. That's the router. Yeah, it already has fingerprints. That's the only problem I have with it is that it keeps fingerprints. And I had the AirPort Extreme right there. But this has to go over here and plug into the modem, because this is for that. But this is just something I had to do. Yeah, this was kind of a pain in the butt to set up, because what happened was I set up one time, and then I typed in the login management password that I set, and then it said wrong password. It says to fix it, reset it. So I reset it, and it basically was an issue. So I fixed that. But this has if, then this, then that, which is basically really cool, because you could combine it with that thing right there, which I'm not gonna say because it's gonna activate. So, Alexa, and so I set it up. I'm also waiting just for a switch. So the switch is going on my desk right there between the speaker and stuff like that, and this is going to get plugged into my switch, and then this cable, because this cable is plugged into here, and that's going to get plugged into my switch that's going to go there, which is going to have this cable, which is for my TV and my TV and my HE home run, and from actually there, it's gonna be hooked into like there. But I already said this in the previous video. But this thought I was going to replace, but I needed something for LTO, which is that, and that needs to be closer, so it doesn't lag. Because when I say turn on light, it doesn't. It takes like about 15 seconds to like turn on the light, which is basically by saying turn on light, and that the device takes 15 seconds to like respond, and this takes 50 seconds. So it takes in total 30 seconds to like turn on the light. But yeah, so there's that. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. That's just a quick update. I also got a Ethernet cable. It was from, I think, Cable Matters, I think. It's basically Cables Matters, which is this black Ethernet cable right here. It's pretty good, high quality one. I have it going behind the UPS up to there. Probably, I could probably get better speeds, but basically, I'm maxing out my connection with this router and the modem. The modem just has, because with this, you have couple options, DHCP and stuff like that. But this is a PPoE system for AT&T, and if this had a modem built in, then I could basically use that to replace this modem, because it's a DSL2 modem that has custom AT&T firmware. But if I basically extract the firmware from actually that router and then just put it onto my actual AT&T onto a new modem, I could basically get away with getting rid of that modem and have a better Wi-Fi modem. So yeah, I don't know if that would actually work, because there are some proprietary softwares on here. Because I actually checked in there. Most of the settings are standard for like most modem router combos, but the problem is it's basically you have to have a certain key on this modem in order to use it with like another modem, and this key isn't given by is given to you if you call AT&T, and they will give it like you. And so yeah, the only thing I wish I had was a bigger UPS. Talking about this one, I have 2 ports right here on the battery backup, but I basically plugged the router up here because I wanted to plug it down there, but it's blocking this port. It's blocking right here. So if I plugged right here, this one would be actually blocked, and I couldn't plug a standard size cable, like one of those three prongs, into there, and I would basically be losing a battery backup point. And I even tried moving that right there, that's over here, over there, same exact thing. It still covers it up, just like a tiny bit. Yeah, I could shave down the cable, but I wouldn't want to do that, because of what I'm going to put on the battery backup is my NAS, and that's going to be sitting there. So that's my network video for this week. You'll probably see actually this in 2 weeks from actually now. I don't know. Today is the 28th. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.